not sure if you can hear it or not, but Cooper's just snoring away. He's in a little milk coma after nursing, which I always think is so precious. He's 5 weeks old.